I never imagined I could make a recipe like this with tangerines. I will start our recipe by adding 2 tangerines and 2 eggs in a blender. I'll also put a cup of sugar, salt to taste, 24 grams of organic yeast, and a tablespoon of butter. Let's cover and beat well to mix all the ingredients. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Asma Mirza from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. With the help of a sieve, we will sift our mixture well and add 3 cups of wheat flour. I will add the flour gradually so that our dough does not get too thick. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result of this recipe. It looks really amazing. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I have no doubt that your whole family will love it. When our dough arrives at this point, we will remove it from the bowl. Let's add some flour to the table to prevent it from sticking, and then using your hands to model it until you get to this point. I'll put our pasta back in the bowl and cover with a little plastic film. Tell me if you've ever made a recipe like this before. Now I'll book for an hour. After that time, we will remove the plastic film from the bowl. I like this recipe so much that I make it almost every week. I'm sure it will go into your routine. Once again, we will shape our dough, and with the help of a spatula, cut it into some parts. In this way, I'm going to take one of the parts that we cut and model in the shape of little balls. Let's repeat the process with all the pieces, and then add inside a pan greased with butter and flour. Look how pretty our dough looks. I will cover the pan with a cloth and leave it reserved for another hour. After that time, we will spread some egg yolk over our recipe. I'm using a kitchen brush to do this. The egg yolk will help our recipe look very beautiful after going to the oven. Let's bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. A delicious bread to eat in the afternoon with your friends or family. Everyone loves this recipe. It's really amazing how good it gets. I like to eat with a little butter, but you can use other side dishes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.